Hello everybody, welcome back to the second tutorial of the Elmcoin.io. In today's tutorial, we'll be going over the stakes options, so try to stick around to the end of today's video. It's going to be a pretty straightforward. We're gonna discuss staking. So first of all, for those who have no idea about staking is just where you promote the user to kind of hold their money, and after holding their money, they are prompted to be kind of, rewarded for holding that money. So for example, we can try and find here like some staking thing, maybe so the idea is that staking, as I said, will give you an APY, and it will be like an average return per year, which is a bit interesting. It's gonna make you kind of win some money, because like, for example, if we go to the pools, yep, so as you can see, pools right here, for example, if you lock the if you stake cake, you're gonna be earning 159% APY, which is actually crazy. So as you can see, for the details here, you have to stake it for 36 weeks. So as I said, staking that for 36 weeks will make you kind of have that APY, but this APY fluctuates. It goes up and it goes down. That's the difference, first of all, between APY and APR. APR is not flexible. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. APR is kind of static. It's kind of the same area. It's gonna be around 113 at the end of the year. You may be asking, okay, if this APR is 130, is that realistic? No, it's not, because the token price will drop in that period for sure. But yeah, as I said, that's staking in a nutshell. I hope you understand staking. Now we're gonna be going over how you could create the staking for your token. So as I said, right here, this is the stake. You can go after going to your own page, after choosing one of the packages in our website. You're gonna be prompted with that web page right here. It's a WordPress web page, but don't worry whatsoever. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is go to stakes right here, click add new stake. If that doesn't show up, just click stakes. After that, you'll name your title for your stake. You'll be I'll be choosing this for staking ARC BEEP 20 advanced stakes. And yeah, as I said, warning, you must use a valid ERC20 complement token or equivalent on the network of your choice. Are you using a flagship token? If so, you must exclude the stake contract in your flagship token. This is the one time setting. You'll not be able to change this setting later. So be very careful when setting up this. So this is going to be the RC or BEEP20 token address to stake. This is the to gain interest. This is the APY staking token. Annual interest rates for the first token is going to be optional. APY interest for the second token, and minimum stake time in days. Penalization options. So this, I really recommend this to be set it up to 15%. Every other I think else is up to you. I really recommend APY 100 to 115% as well, but penalization at least 50%. Minimum stake amount, maybe up to you. That's up to you as well. Maybe like 10 tokens, 20 tokens. That's it. So yeah, as I said, this is the staking option. It's very straightforward, very simple. After you do that, all you will have to do is connect the wallets and stuff, and you will be able to do that. So let's actually go ahead, connect the wallet, just to be on the same page right here. And I hope you understand everything regarding that. It's very simple, very straightforward. There's no rights and terms in staking. It's very amazing. So let me connect the wallet right here. After connecting the wallet, you guys, let me see. As you can see, yeah, after connecting the wallet, you'll be choosing the Binance Smart Chain right here, and it's gonna be a bit pricey to do that. As I said, $75. You'll click on deploy and you'll be able to go. After you do that, you'll find your stake right here. So you find all stakes. Let me go, for example. As you can see, this is the token contract address, and yeah, this is the token contract and this Binance Smart Chain, and it's UB. So yeah, with that said, that's staking in a nutshell. I hope you guys find the tutorial very easy, and yeah, thanks.